I think the differentiator for our company is the culture.
It's important to everybody here, and it starts at the top. So if it wasn't for Gary, none of us would be here.
It was raining, caught the ball at the 2-yard line, reached over to try to put it in the end zone. We were down 14-13. I fumbled, we lost the game, and it still bugs me 50-some years later.
My name's Gary Fairchild. I'm the founder of Fairchild Equipment.
Well, my adopted dad died when I was 5, and my mom was so dedicated to take care of us that I just didn't want to fail. That's hating to lose.
I personally wasn't a God-gifted, incredible athlete. I just outworked other people.
And then had an opportunity to go to the NFL. When I was with the Cardinals, we played the Packers in County Stadium.
When I started this business, what did I envision it to be like? We were going to win. We were going to work harder than others to be successful in this business. And that's when the journey began.
There's lots of things that I have learned from my father over the years. You know, hard work, hustle, doing what's right. So I've always been proud of that.
One of the core values is customers for life. It means that there's going to be bumps in the road. Tell us about it. And, you know, Gary's motto.
If we don't correct it, I think you're wise to fire us. We're not going to change the way we do things unless we're told we could do it better or differently for your company. Openness and candidness with each other is pretty important to have a long-term relationship.
What I value the most is the respect for family value. Fairchild isn't a faceless company. They genuinely care about their employees.
I've chosen to stay at Fairchild Equipment for the last 20 years. They want you to succeed. They will give you all the tools they have to make it happen.
That's really a testimony to the work that we put into keeping the company safe. I felt safe in everything that I was doing because we had the proper training, the proper people to go to.
We do not put a budget on safety. Never have, never will. We really, really take that to the extreme.
We want to be a leader in the communities that we serve. It's what we need to do to contribute back to the community that has been good to us.
The pride of being the underdog. We were nobody early on, and to become somebody in the industry is real important.
When people hear the name Fairchild Equipment, I want them to think of someone who's going to help them be as successful as they can be. Whether it's the employees, whether it's the vendors, whether it's the customers, the outside community, we're going to continue to consistently serve those entities.